Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shafali and I am back again with another video. And in today's video, we are going to see class 11th mind maps of chapter 1 and 2, which were given to the students as part of their holiday homework. So, yeah, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. And if you're new here, watching my video for the first time, listening to my voice for the first time, do consider subscribing my channel, you guys. Here we do a lot of academy stuff. We do a lot of art videos and some food stuff too. So yeah, do consider subscribing. It will be fun for you and a big support for me. Okay, so let's get going. And before we start, I really like to apologize for the background noise you are hearing right now. So please avoid it and focus on my voice. So let's get going. So this is the front cover. She has done it really beautifully. I think she has used watercolors. So this is your first chapter. Some basic concepts of chemistry which she has done here. And as I told you, these are mind maps, so they are done in this way. They are only you don't go on the details. You just write the topics and what it is all about. So it's just for your own revision. So I always ask students to make mind maps every time we complete a chapter. So that is what the holiday homework was given to you. So this is the chapter one, some basic concepts of chemistry, mind map of chapter one, some basic concepts of chemistry, class 11th. And every time we are done with a chapter, I ask them to make a mind map on their own. This gives a clear idea of how much a student knows about a chapter and where the student needs to put more efforts. And sometimes they come across the doubts that they have related to a particular chapter, so it helps them revise the chapter quickly and nicely. So that's how she has done it. I'm going to zoom in now. So from here it has started: mass percent, mole fraction, molarity, molality, normality, volume percent composition, precision, accuracy, matter, physical properties, physical quantity, dimensional analysis, all these things has been covered: empirical formula, molecular formula, atomic mass, stoichiometric coefficient, and everything. Now this is chapter 2, structure of atom, class 11th chemistry. So all the topics might have not been done because we are not done with the chapter yet. सो और फिर हॉलीडे आ गए थे, तो मैंने जितना भी इन्होंने को क्लास में करवाया था उतने के माइंड मैप्स बनाए हैं इन्होंने. एंड व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल वे ऑफ डूइंग दिस. अगर आप अच्छे नोट्स बनाते हो तो आपको रिवाइज भी करने का मन करता है उनसे, और ये स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ही होते हैं. तो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई वुड सजेस्ट, अगर आप एक स्टूडेंट हैं जो इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, ज़रूर आप एक चैप्टर ख़त्म करने के बाद उसके माइंड मैप बनाना. इट विल बी रियली हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. ओके, now let's see what are the topics that she has made a mind map on. And now is the time to zoom in. Structure of atoms, and let's start from the left side. Subatomic particles, electrons, protons, neutrons. You must be knowing about these things. Alpha particles, the experiments done for these particles to be discovered, cathode ray experiment and everything, and the properties included are again very important, and you should be knowing about it. Okay, then we have quantum here. There are atomic numbers written: atomic number, which is represented by Z; number of proton, which is equal to mass number, represented by capital A, which is equal to number of proton plus number of neutrons. Okay, so here she has written just neutrons. You can add for yourself number of neutrons. Neutron is represented by small n and proton by small p with a plus sign above it. Then isotopes, isobars, isotones, symbols of the elements. So everything has been covered. Planck's constant, which is represented by h, has a constant value, and E equals to h nu, your expression for energy. Next is the difference between orbit and orbital. There is more to it, but of course, it is a mind map, so she has done it to remember the basic difference. Radioactive, electromagnetic spectrum, the quantum, okay, and the p orbital, the shape of p orbital, which is dumbbell shape. Then she has also shown three p orbitals, which is px, py, and pz. Now the value of magnetic quantum number for it has also been written here. Then electromagnetic radiations, as we all know, electromagnetic radiation propagates with magnetic field as well as electric field. So she has shown that also. For she has made it for her own understanding. You can make it too. Okay, you can add all the things that you want to remember. You can make those things also here. You can write those things as well which you want to remember for a long period of time, because these are your mind maps. You can add whatever you wish to. Next is electromagnetic spectrum. She has also made a small spectrum here. I'm going to zoom in. As you can see, most important one is your Vibgyor. She has not written the values here, but you can write it over here, the values. Next is dual nature of matter, quantum numbers. Four quantum numbers we have. She has written all the four. Then Bohr's limitation. And what is here? Then the expression for delta E, quantum mechanics, what are nodes, shape of d orbitals, atomic models, Rutherford's, Bohr's, shape of s orbital, Heisenberg, photoelectric effect, black body radiation, and all these things here. Line spectrums of hydrogen, electronic configuration of Bohr's are still to be done. That's why she has not written anything from that part. A Schrodinger wave equation, if you can see here. Okay, so I hope the video was helpful for you. If it was, please do consider subscribing, you guys. And yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.